Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Check your model and iOS version so you know back tap is supported. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and remove any thick or metal cases that can block taps. Now open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch. This gets you straight to the back tap controls. You need this path to access options and test changes immediately, so don't skip straight to third-party apps yet. You'll choose whether 2 taps or 3 taps trigger an action, and assign a system action or a shortcut you've prepared. Tap the lower rear center of the phone with moderate, quick taps to test. Adjust sensitivity by changing the action or switching cases. If back tap options are missing, toggle accessibility off and back on, or restart your device to refresh settings. Also make sure any assigned shortcut is enabled. Finish by checking for conflicts. Gestures, assistive touch, or third-party launchers can override back tap, so disable them temporarily and retest. If it still fails, update iOS, then try Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears preference conflicts. As a final troubleshooting step, test taps with the phone in safe mode or remove any battery case or magnetic accessory that interferes with taps. This often reveals hardware or accessory causes. If none of that works, contact support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.